Hello, my friends. I know all of you have tried so much methods and still you have not get solution how to remove that automatic writing is pen issue. So I have tried various techniques and at the last I have get the solution. In the YouTube or if you visited to the Samsung store, still they are not going to give you any solution. So I have just tried one method and I have got the solution related to that one. So for that you need to just one a magnet, and that issue is happening because your S pen or your that pen is automatically get magnetized to the at one particular side, and that's why it automatically started. Because of its high magnet effect, it automatically start to write without touching to the screen, and that's why you need to remove that magnetic effect. You just need to take that magnet, powerful magnet, and you need to place that magnet near to the bottom tip of the pen, and there should be opposite poles, and automatically it will reduce the effect of magnet from the S pen, and your S pen will start to write only when it touches to the screen and not by its automatically. So here you are seeing still I am struggling to adjust that magnet, and that's why it's happening. But you are seeing here pointer is showing or like that, and that issues happened with me because yesterday some of my means unfortunately I have kept my pen to the near one hertz magnet volt near to the iron, and that's why my pen was get magnetized toward that one and its magnetic effect has been changed. And so today suddenly it start to write its own without touching to the screen. So I have searched a lot of video on the YouTube and also on the net, but still I have not get solution. So indirectly I have just used that one magnet near to me and I have tried to use that, and automatically I have get that solution. So here you are seeing that pointer, but I have used that magnet too much near to the that tip of the pen. That's why it has means it has reduced that pen's magnetic effect. So I have need to adjust that a little one. So now I will just going to adjust that magnet, and you will see here I am just initially trying, and when you will get such a solution that I have decided to share that suddenly means instantly on the YouTube. That's why I am making video directly without making anything. So it was my first trial. In the next means after some time means you will see how I have improved. So here it's working, here it's also working, means it is not working automatically, but when you just move the pens suddenly a little bit above or lower, then it's going to make a noise or it start to work its only. So you have need to adjust that magnetic effect of the pen and nothing else. You have no need to change that tip or anything. It's just because the magnetic effect of that S pen has been changed, and whenever it start to writing its own, that means phone has means it has come up exceed magnetic power as compared to its own. That's why it's starting to recognize all its own. So we have need to add another magnet, and you need to depolarize that magnetic effect so its strength will be reduced, and it will going to start working on its own. So you are going to see here how it's working. Now it's not working on its own because I have kept that powerful magnet with that pen. So to remove that effect, you just need to take extra powerful magnet. It's a very small one, and you need to keep your that S pen with that magnet for a long time. Then it will going to reduce its effect, and it will going to work for everyone. So you have no need to take new phone or no need to worry. And please keep your phone only with the same touch with Samsung tab, and do not place your phone with any magnetic item or whatever that may be, otherwise it will going to change its magnetic flux or magnetic intensity, and automatically it will going to change all those process, and at the last moment you will going to get frustrated. So please keep your phone away from all those magnetic things, and just keep your phone with the Samsung tab only, and do not keep it near to the things which have a magnetic effect. And in the next video also I have changed some methods. Okay, I am going to keep that phone for the one night or 24 hours, and suppose if that effect is not going to, if not removed, then I am going to use a powerful magnet, and I hope it will going to remove. You are going to see now here how that is perfectly working. It's just depends upon its adjustment, and if it's not working, then you have need to, I think, about a small magnet, and you need to fix that magnet near to the your S Pen. I hope that will also work, but I am going to try my own way. I'm going to keep my phone with that magnet to remove that magnetic effect, and when it start to work normally, then I'm going to use only Samsung tab. I'm going to keep my phone with only Samsung tab and not with any other magnetic thing. So I hope you have got the basic idea or what is the institution behind that issue. So many members, means so many YouTubers or people are searching for that, and I have read all those comments and none of them have got any solution. But by luckily I have got that solution, so I have decided to share that video. So please share, like, subscribe my channel. I am also trying to become a YouTuber, and I also want to grow my channel, and I hope you will help me, and also it will work for you, and I hope everyone's problem will be solved, because as such a good pen, such a good tab and pen, it's not working perfectly, then I don't know how it will make a headache for us. So I hope you have get basic idea. So now you will see how I have hold that magnet here to the pen. It's a very easiest way. Instead of keeping your phone beside the magnet, you have need to keep that pen near to their one in front of it, and it will going to solve your issue. So please share, like, subscribe, and you will see how perfectly it's working. No any issue, no anything.